Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and let's get right into the video. So today's video is going to be my favorite hair mask video of 2021. So I have a couple of hair masks that I love for using before my blowouts. So these are the hair masks for that. I'll use a different type of hair mask when I am going to curl my hair, like when I'm gonna just wash and go, leave my hair natural. So I'm gonna mention those products, like just the curly hair products, in a separate video. These products are specifically for like before a blowout, so from like curly hair to straight hair. Some of these hair masks I still use before like I just leave my hair natural as well. I'm gonna start with Olaplex. So I love Olaplex. They have amazing products, and I feel like their products are really good for like repairing damaged hair. So I'm going to start with Olaplex number 3. This repairs your hair and makes it more strong. So this is more for when you have pretty damaged hair, and if you want something that's going to help with split ends, just to kind of make your hair look a little bit healthier because your hair is looking a little bit rough. I go through that so much. Like sometimes when I put too much heat on my hair, I need something that's going to repair the damage. I love this one because it definitely does that. Over time, even if you use this with Olaplex number 1 first and then put this on, that's like the perfect mix for repairing damage. I love how these products work on my natural, very thick, curly hair. And yeah, I just really like Olaplex. I love their shampoo, conditioner. I love their oil. They just have amazing products, and they just work very well on my hair. Definitely recommend the Olaplex number 3. I think this retails for like $27. Every single one of their products retails for $27. So I'm gonna put the price up here anyways, but yeah, this is the Olaplex number 3. This mask is very popular, very famous. I feel like it kind of went viral because so many people loved it so much. I know it's like a small bottle, but a little bit goes such a long way. You don't have to use much. I mean, I don't know if you can see, I still have like halfway to go. This is my second bottle because I really like this. I've used this for like a couple years now. You will notice a big difference in your hair, and I really like Olaplex. Olaplex has amazing products, and they actually came out with a new mask that I love as well. So they came out with the Olaplex number 8. I'm sorry if these look a little bit rough, like they look so used and stuff. Honestly, most of these were in my shower, some were here in my studio, but I use all of these masks all the time. I love this one. This one's the Olaplex number 8. I'm almost all out, and I need a new one because I really like this one. I love using this one actually when I'm gonna leave my hair natural, because this is supposed to add more moisture to your hair. I feel like when I leave my hair natural, I need a lot of moisture because curls need moisture, and this works well like before a blowout as well, but I feel like this works so well on my natural curls, like if I'm gonna leave it natural. This also adds body, shine, and it just makes your hair feel so soft. Also, a little bit goes a long way. Sometimes when I leave my hair natural, I just kind of leave a little tiny bit of this on my hair, and then I put my styling products, but just a little tiny bit, don't leave a lot on. And it's so easy to detangle my hair in the shower with this mask. I love the packaging too. It's a pump, so you're able to kind of control how much comes out a little bit more. Olaplex really nailed it with this mask. I mean, also with the number 3. But I feel like this one is great for people with like drier hair, and if you want your hair to just look more shiny, more healthy, more moisturized. I feel like this one is more for like a day when my hair is looking damaged and when my hair, like my split ends, look a little bit rough, when I put a lot of heat on my hair. The number 3 is perfect for that because this is more of a repairing mask, but then the number 8 is more of like a moisturizing mask, and it's just gonna make your hair also look healthy, but just kind of help it look more shiny, more soft. They're both a little bit different in their own way, but amazing products right here. Another mask that I love and that I actually use before I blow out my hair, or if I'm gonna leave my hair natural because it's so moisturizing, is the Coco Eve Mask. I'm pretty sure I included this mask in my last favorites video of 2020, and I just really like it. It's so easy to detangle my hair in the shower with this mask, and I just leave it on my hair for about 3 minutes in the shower. It gives me like instant results. I just feel like my hair is so easy to detangle in the shower when I use this mask. It smells amazing. It kind of smells like coconut. So yeah, this is the Coco Eve like a virgin mask. and I would definitely repurchase this because I really like it. So this is supposed to make your hair more strong and make it back into its virgin state, so that's why it's called Like a Virgin. This is also supposed to help target frizz and just overall add moisture to your hair. So I really like this mask. I have been using this for at least maybe like a year and a half now. I use the next one that I'm going to talk about in the shower, and that is the Sol de Janeiro hair repair treatment. So this is a mask as well, and this is the triple Brazilian butter hair repair treatment. I still have a pretty good amount of this one. Oh my god, it smells so good. But this is supposed to repair damage. It's supposed to add moisture to your hair and also shine. But I think my hair looks pretty shiny today, and I feel like this mask definitely helps with that. I did use a pretty cool prepping spray, so if you guys want to see that video of my favorite prepping sprays of 2021, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Prepping sprays are also very important for like getting that extra shine and moisture. So yeah, so this one retails for about $36, so it is a little bit pricey, but also this one is up there. The price of this one is a little bit high as well, but they both bring a lot of product. Well, this one brings a little bit more. This one's 8 fluid ounces, and then this one is 7.2. So this one does bring a little bit more of product, and I think these two are about the same price, and I feel like they're both pretty similar. I've had this one for a while now, and a little bit goes a long way with this one as well. I do feel like the scent of this one is just a little bit strong, so if you're a little bit sensitive to that, keep that in mind. What I like about Olaplex is that it doesn't smell strong at all. I don't mind it. If you're a little bit sensitive to that, just keep that in mind. I like this scent more. It smells more like coconut, more like beachy, I guess. And then this one is more like strong, almost like a perfume or something. But you are supposed to rinse this out anyway, so it might not even be too strong after you rinse it out. So you should be fine. And actually, let me smell my hair. Yeah, it doesn't smell like it. It doesn't smell like the mask. So you should be fine. So last but not least, I had to include this mask in this video because I actually included this one in last year's video, but I just had to include it again because I really like this mask from Amica. This is the Kure Intense Bond Repair Mask, and it's just so good. I just really like it. I also put this in the shower, and I leave it on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just rinse it out. This smells good. I love how this one smells. It's not too strong, and it smells good. And this is supposed to repair your hair from heat damage. So whenever I feel like my hair needs a little bit of moisture, and whenever I feel like my hair has been through it with the hair tools and everything, I definitely go for this mask. And I also go for this one, of course, the Olaplex number 3. A little bit goes a long way with this as well. This has 8.4 fluid ounces, so this one's even more than this one because this one's only 8. So this one retails for $38, so it's about the same price as this one, and this has a little bit more of product. So if anything, I feel like this is the best value because you get so much product. I've been using this one for years now, maybe about 2 years. I even find myself using this before like leaving my hair natural. I feel like it also makes my hair very moisturized and ready to go, like ready to put my curly hair products. I pretty much do a mask every time I wash my hair. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it like that. I feel like it definitely helps to keep my hair healthy, and I think I wash my hair about like twice a week, maybe once a week. So I feel like you can definitely do a mask like twice a week and you should be fine. I've been doing that for years now. It works for me. I love it. Also, my hair is so easy to detangle in the shower with this mask. It's like right when I apply it, it's like soft detangled. It's like I barely even need a brush. If you want to even replace your conditioner with this mask, you can also do that because you can just add this on your hair, leave it on your hair for like 2 minutes, and then use a brush and detangle your hair, and you should be good to go. So yeah, I really like this mask. It's amazing. I'm gonna link all these products below. Stay tuned because I am going to be posting a video dedicated to just my curly hair products. So I am gonna have shampoo, conditioner, mask, and curly hair products. So stay tuned because I'm gonna put all the curly hair products in one video, and I also have a lot of cool products and masks that I want to include in that video. So stay tuned. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.